How to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. I will show you a step-by-step process in this video. So let's start. First, click on Start menu, then go to Settings. As you can see the setting option here, just click on Settings. In the left sidebar, you see the option Bluetooth and Devices. Just click on it. Now at the top you will see Bluetooth toggle switch. Click to turn Bluetooth on. Now you can connect your Bluetooth headphones, mouse, keyboard or smartphone. Just click Add Devices, select Bluetooth and choose your device from the list. If you don't see the Bluetooth option, your PC might not have a Bluetooth adapter or the driver is not installed. Check Device Manager to make sure Bluetooth is available. And that's how to easily turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.